Back here at our home away from home. It's like our third or fourth time coming here. Just works, it's nice, new, pretty good deals. Oh God, look at this. Just a water addict. Just an addict. Back to Plamosa. We're gonna do a solar test. See if we can make some improvements to what we have currently. Here's your sunset. You get those just about every night. Van lifer over there. There's a bus, a few vans, travel trailer, all the vans over there. Trailers, big Class A. Some of them are really back there. Just after dinner time. This is Plamosa Road. And this thing worked really well. So this rig already had a 100 watt on the roof. And that bumps it to 300. Yes, the sun was this way. It's turned around to catch the morning sun, which will come right over there. And by about, what was it today? 10, 11 a.m. Batteries are already charged. And then I'll lay that flat and then flip it around to catch the afternoon. Which is better than if it was just flat on the roof. So I will put, what do I do? Probably get rid of the 100 and I'll put maybe 3 200s up there, 600. Then I can have this. So if this is under a tree or something like that, I can at least put this out and get a little bit more. It just plugs in right here. And it was actually a unique plug. I had to go into Solar Bills, and the dude came out and spliced this up for me. I was out of there in 10 minutes. Couldn't believe it. And we came straight out here to test it out, and it's good. It definitely needs more, but it made it at least doable. Like, I haven't run the generator once. We got here yesterday. But I think we might we got to shop because I'm almost out of food. So we'll go back into town. Tomorrow and figure out what we're gonna do from there. I got these little solar lights because it's so dark out here. You can't see nothing. I mean, this has the porch light, but when you look out and it's just pitch black. So I got these at that dollar store that was across the street from the place in Ehrenberg. $1.25. And that other one down there was $3. I've got 2 boxes of big ones, but all the batteries died. So they need new rechargeable batteries. What do you think? She won't do any of her business on this volcanic rock. We have to go into the wash. Anywhere that's green you see out there is a wash. So that'll turn into a creek when the river or when the rain falls. And a lot of rain fell here this winter. But also, it's where the rattlesnakes hang out. So you gotta really watch. And they start coming out of the ground here in March. And we're in March, so I don't let Lily off leash or anything like that. She wouldn't have a clue what she was up against. They just go on. If you want to see this place from a drone from up above, you can go watch RVer TV. Russ. Without his videos, I would have had no clue what I was doing here. He shows all the 14-day areas, the LTVAs, Bouse, Parker, Ehrenberg. I guess he's been coming here for decades, so very informative.